Hey there! If you're dealing with the dropped FaceTime calls or random disconnections, I totally get how annoying that can be. This can happen for a few reasons like network issues, software hiccups, or even some settings being a bit off. But no worries, I'm here to walk you through some effective solutions to get your FaceTime back on track. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. A shaky internet connection is usually the main culprit behind FaceTime call drops. First, swipe down to pull up the control center. Next, make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network or that cellular data is turned on. Now open a web browser and head over to a site like fast.com to test your internet speed. If your connection seems unstable, enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds. Then turn airplane mode off, or you can try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Solution 2. Restart FaceTime. Restarting FaceTime can clear up temporary issues. Start by swiping up from the bottom of the screen to access the app switcher. After that, swipe up on the FaceTime app to close it out. Now open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit. Tap on Apps. And then select FaceTime. Toggle FaceTime off and then turn it back on. Finally, reopen FaceTime and see if you can make a call again. Solution 3. Offload and reinstall FaceTime. If FaceTime isn't working right, offloading the app might do the trick. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Look for FaceTime in the list and tap on it. Choose Offload app, then confirm to offload the app without deleting your data. Lastly, reinstall FaceTime. Solution 4. Enable background app refresh. Make sure background app refresh is on. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on background app refresh. Ensure that it's toggled on for both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Scroll down further to check that FaceTime is enabled for background app refresh. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can help fix connectivity issues. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset. Choose Reset network settings and confirm your choice. Once your iPhone restarts, reconnect to Wi-Fi and check if your FaceTime calls are stable. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve those pesky FaceTime call drops or random disconnections on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and stay tuned for the next video.